Let's make Zhao's graveyard chocolate mousse. To make this recipe, you will need chocolate, vanilla wafers, chocolate chip cookies, and eggs. To start, we're going to melt our chocolate in a double boiler. Any heat-safe metal or ceramic bowl will do. If you start in smaller pieces, it's also going to melt faster. Once it's fully melted, remove it from the heat and add a pinch of salt. Set it aside to let it cool. Next, we're going to carefully separate our eggs. In a clean bowl, whip the whites with an electric mixer until stiff. Ensure that your bowl and whisks are extremely clean, as fat will prevent the whites from whipping. Next, mix your yolks with the cooled chocolate until entirely incorporated. Once the yolks are incorporated, add in your whites in 3 additions. Make sure you mix the ingredients gently because we want our dessert to be as light and airy as possible. Now that our mixture is incorporated, we're going to place it into our serving cups to rest overnight. For a delicious garnish, take some chocolate ganache and pipe it onto one of the vanilla wafers. R.I.P. It makes a perfectly delicious headstone. For a little bit of decorative dirt, we're also going to crumble up those chocolate chip cookies. Next, we can assemble our mousses with a little bit of chocolate dirt on top and our nice vanilla wafer. Enjoy! Happy Halloween!